Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a voice message on Facebook dating. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what we need to do is open up our Facebook app. Then from here, click onto your profile and get into settings. So inside the menu bar. And now we need to look for the dating tab. So go ahead and click on dating. And then once you've clicked on dating, find that match where you'd like to send a voice message to. And now once you're in that person's conversation, in order to send a voice message at the bottom of the page, it should have a little microphone. So tap the microphone icon and then press and hold the microphone icon to start recording. You can send voice messages up to 60 seconds in length. Then release the icon when you're done, then tap send to deliver the message. Now, if you want to replay any voice message, just go ahead and click the play button on any of the voice messages.